Hello, grade O level. How are you all? Hope you will be fine and doing good at your home. This is your geography lesson, and in this lesson, we are reading unit number 3, Natural Resources and Issue of Sustainability, Water. Students, we should know about sustainability. Sustainability is something that is bearable and capable of being continued at a certain level. Students, what is sustainability? Sustainability is something that is bearable and capable of being continued at a certain level. Nowadays, because of the environmental and social problems, societies around the world are facing sustainability, and it has been increasingly in a specific way. Sustainability is usually defined as the process and actions through which humankind avoids the depletion of natural resources. Students, sustainability is usually defined as the processes and actions through which humankind avoids the depletion of natural resources. Sustainable water means a nation that can be water self-sufficient. Sustainable water means a nation that can be water self-sufficient, ensuring there is enough water to meet multiple needs from agriculture to municipal and industrial. It also means water supply will remain constant despite of climate change impacts such as lack of rainfall and drought. Students, if we talk about main sources of water, two main sources of water are surface water in the form of rivers, lakes, ponds, etc., and groundwater that is to be pumped out to the land surface. Importance of rivers to Pakistan. There are two river systems in Pakistan that include the Indus River system and the rivers of Balochistan. Students, if we will talk about the Indus River, I told you about the Indus River system in previous lesson. To sum up, I will tell you more about the Indus River system. The Indus is watered by glaciers of the Karakoram and Hindu Kush ranges. The Satluj, Chenab, Jhelum are the main eastern tributaries of the Indus. All the eastern tributaries join together by the time Satluj joins the Chenab at Panjnath to become the river Panjnath, which then joins the Indus near Mithankot. The river Indus has the highest mean monthly discharge in June and July. The rivers to the west of the Indus are smaller in length and width and have less water than the eastern tributaries. The Indus Waters Treaty. The Indus Waters Treaty is a water distribution treaty between India and Pakistan, brokered by the World Bank to use the water available in the Indus River and its tributaries. The Indus Waters Treaty was signed in Karachi on 19 September 1960 by Indian Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru and Pakistani President Ayub Khan. The treaty gives control over the waters of the three eastern rivers, the Beas, Ravi and Satluj, with a mean annual flow of 33 million acre feet to India. The three rivers, the Beas, Ravi and Satluj, with a mean annual flow of 33 million acre feet to India, while control over the waters of the three western rivers, the Indus, Chenab and Jhelum, with a mean annual flow of 80 MAF to Pakistan. India was allocated about 20% of the total water carried by the Indus system, while Pakistan was allocated the remainder. The treaty allows India to use the western river waters for limited irrigation use. The rivers Swat and Kabul carry a significant volume of water, but the Tochi, Koram, and Gomal rarely contain much water. All these rivers contain more water during the summer season because of the melting of the snows. And during winter, the volume of water decreases as the temperature falls and the snow does not melt. Now come to the rivers of Balochistan. It is no secret that Balochistan, Pakistan's largest province, is facing a chronic water shortage issue and has been experiencing severe droughts for decades. Water is one of the basic necessities of life, fundamental for the existence of life to begin with, and without it we will all cease to exist. And yet the province is moving closer towards becoming a land without water. So here is an issue of water. At least 7 small and large rivers flow across Balochistan, from which the Hingol River, the longest river in the province, covers a length of 560 kilometers. 560 kilometers. At least 7 small and large rivers. How many rivers? 7 small and large rivers flow across Balochistan, from which the Hingol River, the longest river in the province, covers a length of 560 kilometers. Despite the flow of these 7 rivers, Balochistan is in a perpetual drought season. It faced acute and chronic droughts from 1997 to 2007 and then from 2013 to date. Currently, about 9 districts